All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. Instruct. Instruct. To teach and explain to people how and why to do things. So I will instruct you on English. This book will instruct you about science. It will instruct you how to speak. She instructs them all the time. He knows how to instruct people clearly. I like to instruct them. They need my instructions. Yes. I will instruct them. They need my instructions. Yes. So I will instruct them and they need my instructions. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. I was their instructor for a long time. When I was their instructor, I helped instruct them about things all the time. I gave them a lot of advice. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So I'm instructing them how to dance. How cool is that? What can you instruct? What can you teach? What can you instruct? What can you teach? Yeah. Who will instruct her now? She is growing up and she needs someone else to instruct her. Instruct and help her in her life. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So instruct, to teach and explain. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use instruct in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? Yeah. And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.